Showers of blessing and by the Father above. Welcome back, my friends. I invite you to go into the secret place of the Most High. As you sit comfortably and consciously, relax your whole body. Some say it works best to lightly close your eyes, shutting out any visual distractions and bringing your awareness inward. However, do whatever is most comfortable for you. So without straining or concentrating, just relax and gently follow my voice. I invite you to take in a deep breath into a count of 5. Hold it. And then release your breath to a count of 8 or 10. With the next inhale, fill your lungs up so that your core fills up right down to your navel. And you feel a slight pressure of the full lungs on your spinal column. And then fully release until you feel a slight pressure of your empty lungs on the spinal column. Your vagus nerve runs down the spinal column, and this technique of breathing is called vagal breathing. It's designed to relax and de-stress your body, releasing tension, releasing anxiety, and restoring balance. So breathing in, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold, and now out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Try that again. Don't breathe too rapidly. Breathing can be a meditation in itself. And if you find your mind wandering during this meditation, that's okay. Just bring your focus back to this breathing technique. Last week we worked on release, releasing that which no longer served us, and that which kept us from our unfolding good. I noted in this week past that you might find yourself thinking negative thoughts, and then you could release them. Catch and release. Wouldn't it be wonderful if we were so evolved in this physical body that we did not have any negative thoughts at all? However, we can use another measure of success. And this would be how fast we catch ourselves thinking a negative thought, recognize it, and then consciously release it before it has long to linger or grow. And upon its release, we can fill that void with gratitude. 3 steps: catch, release, be grateful. The benefits of practicing gratitude are huge and scientifically proven. Better sleep, better relationships, lower blood pressure, stronger immune system. Plus, you become a more engaging and enjoyable person to be around. And that leads to a richer and fuller life. If you're going to make New Year's resolutions, I'd invite you to make one that has a robust gratitude practice. So let's start now. I invite you to focus your attention on your heart. Breathe in a beautiful white light right into the center of your heart. And see in your mind's eye your heart opening and expanding. Now call forth someone that you are grateful for. And let your heart expand even more with love and appreciation for that person. Why are you grateful for them being a part of your life? And thinking about this, be as specific as you can. And now, maybe there's another person that fills your heart with deep appreciation and gratitude. Why are you grateful for them being a part of your life? Again, details are important. Maybe you are grateful for someone in your childhood. In your mind's eye, express gratitude to that person and tell them why they made a difference in your life. Now scan your body to find and acknowledge something that you are grateful for about your body. Think about it. Your body is pretty amazing. It figured out how to do all the things that it does every day this morning. And you probably didn't have to tell it one thing. It probably did what it needed to do with very little direction from you. Breath, heart beating, legs moving, swallowing. Thank your body. What comes to mind when I asked, what happened already this morning that you are grateful for? A wonderful cup of coffee or tea? An interaction with a loving partner or pet? pause a moment to reflect on this morning. I found that one of the best places to practice gratitude is in nature. What do you appreciate about the world that you live in? Maybe it's the stars that were in the sky last night, or that huge moon of a couple of nights ago. Maybe it's a magnificent tree or a delicate flower. For now, I'm asking you to call it up into your mind's eye. However, a walk in nature later today will anchor your gratitude and appreciation. Your gratitude practice can easily fall into the areas of your health and well-being, your prosperity, your positive relationships, and your nurturing environment. A gratitude practice can be as simple as stopping at the same time every day and acknowledging what it is you're grateful for in that moment. You can even be in the grocery store and look at all those wonderful fruits and vegetables that are there for you. It can be as simple as being grateful for a cozy home or a lovely meal. So in a word, what are you grateful for in your life? And what else? And what else? Anything else? So today and tomorrow and throughout 2021, I'm inviting you to commit to a gratitude practice. You can acknowledge 2 to 3 things each morning, each night that you are grateful for. Even if they're the same things every day, that's okay, as long as you keep it fresh. Noticing and noting new aspects of the same things or what positively impacts the brain and expands your neural pathways. You can write it in a gratitude journal. You could create a gratitude jar. You can set an alarm on your phone to remind you to stop and be grateful. Although the scientific study of the benefits of gratitude on our body and our lives only came about in the last 15 years and was popularized by Oprah and others, the positive influence of gratitude on our lives was memorialized in Irving Berlin's song. When he complained to his psychiatrist about insomnia, and his doctor told him to count his blessings, he was inspired to write this song. So I leave you with the very sage words. When I'm worried and I can't sleep, I count my blessings instead of sheep, and I fall asleep counting my blessings. When my bankroll is getting small, I think of when I had none at all, and I fall asleep counting my blessings. So if you're worried and you can't sleep, just count your blessings instead of sheep, and you'll fall asleep counting your blessings. I invite you to come back from our gratitude meditation. As you come into the room, I know you've had a rich journey and just how wonderful your life is when you focus on the good and when you focus on God. So we can keep an open heart as we listen to Marty's message. Thank you, God. Namaste.